Among the few things that we do, giving you access to the best real estate is our major responsibility. Apart from that, we give you a pre-purchase inspection to make sure that you don't get scammed. According to a recent research, Kitengela has been termed as one of the fastest growing towns around Nairobi. The others include Ruiru, Ngong, and Kikuyu. And that's why we have brought you here to see this estate that is coming up with a price tag of 19.9 million Kenya shillings for a 222 square meter mansion. This gated estate will contain 22 units of this topography, and the amenities will include a swimming pool, a public playground, a gym, and an outdoor sitting area. I know some of you are already typing, Mungai Kihara, Kitengela hakunanga barabara na pia hakuna maji ya kanjo. That is about to change very soon because the county government of this area is connecting this town to the public water system. Also, about the road, this estate is exactly 100 meters from the tarmac, so you'll never have any problem accessing your home. As I mentioned earlier, each unit is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite plus an employee quarters. And from there, you can see that the estate is progressing very well. The total is 22 units, 12 are sold. We only have 10 units and the demand is skyrocketing. Watu wanazichukua hivi. And now that you've seen this video, so many people will come to be members of this estate. So do not be left out. Call us in the number that will be attached here. From there, you can see that each unit comes with a 3-car parking, and this would be perfect for your 2 cars and a car for your guest. If that is not enough, the developer has given an extra space where you can park an extra car for a small period of time. On this other side, you get your front yard done excellently and it comes very green. This would be a perfect place for you to do a gazebo or somewhere where you can sit with your children and have a good breakfast session. As you can see, each unit is separated from each other by this mesh wire fence, but the developer has planted these climbing trees to make sure that your greenery is excellent. I know some of you have already noticed niko na homa kidogo. And I know you will tell me to take a little break, but why would I do that? If there is something like this that is on sale and I have not told you, that is the only reason that I am here. After this, I'm going to bed. Before we go inside, let's discuss the facade of these units. From there, you can see that the developer has done very beautiful finishing with these yellow stone mazeras. It is making the unit blend very well with the locality. Under the primary balcony, you can see that we have the entrance porch, and that gives you an extra space where you can rest before you get into the unit. On top, as I mentioned, is the master balcony, and you'll be sitting there as you're watching your cars or as you're watching your kids play in the playground. Last but not the least, the developer has given you a chimney which can be accessed from the main living room, and also in the primary bedroom you can have an access to the chimney. So if you're feeling a bit of cold, you can get firewood from Kitengela because it's a lot, and you'll be able to enjoy natural warmth. Let me take all of you inside. The developer has given you aluminum windows, and they come with a bit of soundproofing. That makes it very good, especially when you don't to deal with noise. This is the standard door that you get in this unit, and it is a 5-foot mahogany door done excellently. It smells very nice, it smells new, and it smells wealth. So, at least when you come to purchase one of these units, please usijaribu kuitisha mlango ya chuma. This is what you need. It is very good, it feels very nice, and it is very welcoming to this unit. This is a very interesting and a very beautiful house. From there, I am very sure that you'll never have your bulbs on during the day because these massive windows are giving you a ton of natural light. As I mentioned earlier, the unit comes with a chimney, and this is where you can light a bit of fire to make sure that the house is warm during the cold days. And the mazeras continues to the inside just to give a break of the monotony that comes with this whiteness. About the focal point, you can decide it to be on this side above the chimney or on the other side. The developer give it open for you to do whatever you want. Let me light the lights and you'll see how the unit transforms at night. How do you like it? I think it is a snake light. Let me get it. How do you like the unit? It's very beautiful, right? Interesting. Let's continue. On this other side, you have the dining space, and it has been set for you to orient your dining table the way you want. You can orient it this way to fit an 8-seater, or you can orient it this way to fit a 6-seater. You're also getting a mini vanity where you can clean your hands before you proceed to eat. That is the lighting of the dining area. Next to the dining area, you have the kitchen, and you are getting this access where the people who are in the kitchen can easily pass the food to the dining space. Let's see the kitchen. Among the units that you have showcased in Kitengela, this gives the best quality. And you can agree with me. If you have another unit that you know is in this locality, we've not showcased it, and it's better than this one, kindly tag it down here, and we will go there because of you guys. This is the kitchen. It has been done very well. I'm loving the quality of the cabinetry that you get, upper and lower, and the kitchen will come fully fitted with an oven, a cooktop, a hood, and you'll have your double sink area where you can wash and rinse your utensils. On this other side, you are getting an extra storage for all your cutlery. This space has been left for your side-by-side refrigerator, and you get a mini pantry on this other side. The door is taking you to the rear side where we have the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom employee quarters and the laundry room. Let's see that. The rear side of the unit gives you a mini kitchen garden. Next to me, come closer. Next to me, you have the laundry area, and it comes with enough space for you to do your washer and dryer. And you are getting some extra cabinetry here where you can keep your washing detergents. This small walkway is leading you to the employee quarters, and you can see it is sizable for your employee. From the kitchen, you have the staircase that is supposed to take you to the upper level, and from there you can see that the developer was able to give it these rods that improve the beauty of the staircase. Before we go upstairs, I want us to see the common washroom and the guest bedroom. Under the staircase, you get the common washroom done excellently, coming with a WC and a wash basin for you to clean your hands. This entrance is taking you to the guest bedroom. It is not the biggest, though it has been done very well to fit a 5x6 bed. The closet is on my far front, and you are getting a massive window to give you enough natural light. The partitions of the closets have been done very well, and you have enough space to keep all your guest clothes. This is the bathroom. Come and see it. It comes fully fitted with a wash basin. A WC is at the center, and you're getting a mini shower cubicle which comes with a set of 2 pairs of Josephs. Or are they gumboots? I don't know the difference. Yeah, the other set is a bit more beautiful. Thank you. A few days ago, we did a short video of this unit, and most of you requested to get a full video. That's why we have come back here. And if you would want to see the shorter version or check the photos of this unit, make sure you check our website, africanrealestate.com. And if you have a unit that you're selling and you've not showcased it, post it there and we'll help you sell it. This is the view that you get from the staircase, and I'm loving this light. Very beautiful. And it comes with some diamond crystal stuff. I don't know what it is. Straight on from the staircase, you are welcomed to the mini family room, and it has been done very well to fit a mini couch where you can sit, relax, read a book, or get some private time. It comes with a window to make sure that you're getting enough natural light. The gypsum ceilings have been done very well, and the ceiling heights are substantial. On my left hand side, you get the primary bedroom, and on my right hand side, you get the first kids bedroom and the second kids bedroom. We will see these two later. Let's see where the magic is supposed to happen. When we are talking about master bedrooms, if it is something smaller or less than this, stop talking about it. That is a normal bedroom. But if you have something gorgeous, beautiful, well done, well crafted, that is what you should call a master bedroom. And this is an example of that. You are getting a chimney on this side to make sure that you can never be cold in this unit. The windows are massive to give you very nice aeration and also a ton of natural light. Come to this other side. This is where you are supposed to do your king size or a queen size bed. And the lighting has been done very, very well. The space is ample to do some side drawers on this side and another one on that side where you can keep a book or the things that you use while you are sleeping or close to sleeping. The closet is here. It is floor to ceiling, done very well and very well partitioned, coming with a set of drawers down there. And I know some of you are already saying, Mungai Kihara, that closet is not enough. I know. This is for the lady of the house. For the man, we know what happens. Come with me. Yako imefichwa hapa. This is the set of the closet for you because you don't like shopping, and when you shop for the other one. The primary bedroom comes with a balcony that overlooks the front side, and I'm loving these rafters because they are improving the beauty of this space. It makes it feel very homely, and when you sit here on a hammock, this would be a perfect place for you to meditate. I'll take you back inside. The primary bathroom gives you a place for you to sit like this, and that is your WC. On my left hand side, you get a shower cubicle. That is big for two, and it comes with a rain shower. And on my right hand side, you get a double vanity that comes with some compartments where you can keep your toiletries. A massive mirror becomes very necessary these days. Let's see the kids' bedrooms. From the master or from the primary, you have the first kids bedroom, and this is targeting the young kids because when they cry, the mother or the father will be able to hear them very easily. The bedroom comes en suite with a very beautiful, well done bathroom, and on the other side, you have the sleeping space. As you can see, the sleeping space would be perfect for a 4x6 bed or 2 kiddie beds, and the closet is substantial for 1 kid or your twins. This is the second kids bedroom on this level, and it is targeting your bigger children or your teenagers. It comes as usual en suite. The bathroom has been done excellently, and on this side, I want you to see something. The bedroom is slightly bigger than the other one, and it comes with a very good lighting system. This is standard for all these bedrooms. The window is big as usual. The ceiling heights are excellent. You are getting a hidden curtain rails and a closet that is floor to ceiling, and coming with 4 drawers for the tiny garments, spaces for the hangable clothes on this side. This is where you have the hangable clothes, and this is the spaces for the foldable clothes. For the suitcases or for your bed sheets, you keep them up there. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase any of these units, the price is 19.9 million Kenya shillings. So call us in the number attached down here and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Ciao.